LIDA Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduit sizes, ranging from 1/2 inch to 8 inch. Smooth interior and outside. Easy to install for wires and cables. 10 feet or 20 feet standard lengths with a belt end or plain end. Length can be customized for specific applications. LIDA Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 rigid PVC conduit are made from high-quality PVC material and meet ASTM D178420, ASTM F96317 standard. With excellent performance and meeting environmental requirements, the conduits conform to UL 651 and NEMA TC2 standards. It's impact resistant, compression resistant, self-extinguishing, fire retardant, and sunlight resistant, and suitable for underground and above ground applications. As a professional custom factory, LIDA's provides process customization for Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 PVC conduit with chamfer and marking according to the project requirements. For packaging, LIDA's provides in pallets or in bulk, which are convenient and space-saving, or can be customized according to customer needs. LIDA's offers a short lead time to guarantee the project's process. LIDA's lead the safer electrical conduit systems.